What's going on, guys? XSR Detroit here with another video for you. Today we're taking a look at a motorcycle cover from Fenrir Moto. I'm a Fenrir Moto affiliate. They did provide this cover to me at no cost, but I do have a discount code in the description for you guys that'll save you 5% off your order and kick back a little money to my channel. Let's get this cover on the bike and see what we're working with. We've got a box and a wrapped up cover. The Fenrir Moto motorcycle cover comes in this storage bag, which I thought was a nice touch. The cover is made with a 3-layer fabric material, a weather-repellent exterior matched with a soft inner protection layer. It also features a high-temperature resistant cloth made out of fiberglass for the exhaust. Alright, now that we've got the cover out of the box, let's get it on the bike. The cover has this blue and silver reflective portion that goes towards the front of the bike. Alright, so the fit is looking very good. My entire motorcycle is covered. There was a couple things I wanted to show you guys that this cover features. We've got 3 plastic clips to fasten the cover to the motorcycle, and on each end of the tire we have a pull string that we can tighten up as well, so you don't have to worry about the wind blowing off your cover. I figured since I have 2 motorcycles, I might as well try the cover on both of them, so I'm going to take this off the XSR and go try putting it on my CRF300. Even though this cover isn't made for the Honda CRF300L, it does a really good job of covering it. I mean, the big 21-inch tire is going to create some space that the cover probably wasn't designed for, but overall, most of the bike is pretty covered. Very nice. What I'm going to do now is put the cover back on the XSR900, and I'm going to hose it down, and we're going to see how waterproof this motorcycle cover is. The water is beating on the cover, which is a good sign. I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna see how dry this bike is underneath. My bike was completely dry underneath the cover. Overall, I'm really happy with this motorcycle cover. I like that the one cover fits on both of my bikes. It's really flexible, so whether my bikes are sitting in the garage or if I'm out motorcycle camping, I know that I only need this one cover. The materials feel really premium. I wouldn't be afraid to just chuck this in a motorcycle bag and worry about it getting beat up. The inside is super soft, so you don't have to worry about your paint or plastics getting damaged, and I like that you can fasten the cover to the bike and not have to worry about it blowing off or flying off or anything like that. It's a really, really nice touch. The waterproofing seems legit. My bike was completely dry underneath the cover. I don't know how it would hold up to like a torrential downpour, but I think in the future I'll do an update video on that just in case, you know, but for the most part the waterproofing seems very legit. I like how the water beads up on the material. You can see the hydrophobic material at work, which is really cool. Big thanks to Fenrir Moto for supplying this cover to me. Like I said earlier in the video, there is a discount code in the description if you want to save 5% off your purchase and kick back a little money to my channel. But as always, guys, ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet, and I'll see you in the next one.